From thetraderguy.com, this is Chris, and I'm taking a look at the dollar Canadian dollar pair for the upcoming 13th trading session. This is midday in the 12th. You can see that we continue to kind of grind along, and as I draw this little imaginary line here, and we'll go ahead and call that 125.50, you can see that the market has reacted there a couple of times. We've broken above, we pulled back, and now it looks like the buyers are coming back into play. Oil markets are struggling, so I think we do continue the drive higher, and eventually I anticipate a move to 129. This will be especially true if crude oil loses like another dollar or so, and right now it looks like it is trying to roll over. So initially, I expect 127 to offer a bit of resistance, and then eventually we'll go looking towards 129. At this point, the upward motion, the upward trend, if you will, on the short-term charts is rallying and supported at the 125 level. So if we break down below there, that changes everything. Until then, probably more of a grind than anything else. Short-term pullbacks offering value.